Hello, this is Dr. Farzad welcoming you to another Illness to Wellness video presentation on the topic of immunity, natural solutions to address the cause to boost and maintain a strong immune system. During the presentation, you will be directed to more reading material for my articles to understand the big picture of the topics discussed. So let us begin. And before we delve into the topic of immunity, it is extremely important to touch upon the importance of mind-body connection. It is very important to understand that there are two types of threats to our well-being and ultimately our survival: external threats and internal threats. External threats are threats that we can either perceive right in front of us, such as witnessing a mountain lion running towards us, or threats that we can imagine in our minds, such as imagining the consequences of not being able to pay the rent on time or being able to pay our bills. Likewise, our body can be under internal threats. Examples of internal threats are the presence of viral and bacterial infections inside of our body. Protecting ourselves against both inside and outside threats requires energy. And our body has a certain limited amount of energy reserve to address those threats. In case there is simultaneously a bacterial or a viral infection inside of our body at the time we see the mountain lion running towards us, what would be the wise thing to do for our body at that point? To invest the energy in fighting the bacterial or a viral infection, or invest it all towards preparing us to either fight with or run away and protect ourselves from a real or imagined life-threatening situation. Our immediate survival is ultimately the priority. Even though the focus of this presentation is on the internal threats, I thought it would be necessary to quickly mention this upcoming concept and then give you some homework reading material for you to follow up on your own. As I said, we have a certain energy budget or energy reserve. While our energy reserves are being invested towards our survival and protecting our body against outside or external threats, the internal threats inside of our body, such as bacterial or viral infections, are neglected, resulting in symptoms and illness. At times of emotional stress or panic, our immune system can significantly weaken. So the first order of business in protecting ourselves against infections and strengthening our immune system is to manage our stress levels and to address the physiological consequences of stress, which is to support our adrenal glands. For more detailed information on the physiology of stress, prolonged oversecretion of stress hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol, and for solutions on how to naturally manage them, please visit illnesstowellness.com and refer to my article From Illness to Wellness under item number 2, Emotional Stress. And now getting back to our main discussion, our bodies are constantly under the danger of being internally harmed by such organisms as viruses, bacteria, parasites, candida, and other pathologic agents, and it's the job of our immune system to defend our body against infections and harmful effects of these organisms once we're infected. Inflammation is the natural response of our body's immune system to infection by these organisms. According to the latest research, presence of chronic inflammation in our body is the underlying cause of many illnesses. There are natural, botanical, herbal, and nutritional supplements that have been proven to strengthen our immune system. These products are made synergistically in combination formulas by reputable science-based companies which I will be mentioning later on in this video. But taking these supplements are proven most effective after following certain protocols to address the causes of why bacteria, viruses, parasites, candida, and other pathologic agents can enter our bloodstream and infect our body in the first place. Once bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens enter our bloodstream and infect us, the immune system starts to get into work to defend us against the infection. Before we get into the ways of strengthening our immune system once we are infected, I'd like to briefly talk about how we can prevent viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens from entering our bloodstream, and how we can minimize our chances of becoming infected in the first place. Now, how do pathogens enter our body and into our bloodstream? The simple answer is through a mucosal lining of the gut or the GI tract. The gastrointestinal or the GI tract, also known as the digestive tract, or more commonly the gut, is part of an organ system called the digestive system. It mainly lines 4 separate organs that are included in the digestive system: the esophagus, the tube connecting the throat to the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. It's a very large tube starting in the mouth and ending in the large intestine. Pathogens mainly enter our body through the air that we breathe and the food that we eat, both ways of which they end up in the GI tract or the gut. Those pathogens that find their way to the body and are absorbed into the bloodstream are the ones that can infect and harm us, while those that remain in the GI tract are processed, digested, and eliminated from the body. Now, the next question is how to prevent pathogens or toxins from crossing the mucosal lining of the gut and from entering and infecting our body. And the simple answer is by strengthening the mucosal lining and by improving the integrity of the selective blood-gut barrier, since the lining of the gut is considered as the body's first line of defense against viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. Nutritional and botanical GI wellness protocols are available, involving synergistic formulas to kill and eliminate pathogens from the body, followed by strengthening the integrity of the lining of the gut and thereby addressing the cause of pathogenic infections. Once we address gut health, we can significantly minimize our chances of getting infected by viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens that enter our gut lining. For more detailed information on gut health, please visit illness2wellness.com/gut health and refer to my latest article titled The Importance of Gut Health and the Gut-Brain Connection. Once again, that's illness2wellness.com/gut health. In this article, in addition to learning more about the importance of gut health, you will learn lifestyle and dietary strategies on how to maintain gut health and GI wellness to minimize the chances of getting bacterial and viral infections and experiencing symptoms. Now, in case we do get infected by viral, bacterial, or other pathogenic agents, it is very important to naturally strengthen our immune system through the use of synergistic nutritional and botanical supplements that are available. Numerous viral, bacterial, and other pathogenic agents are capable of causing significant acute symptoms and illnesses in patients. Communicable pathogens can spread rapidly, especially in vulnerable populations such as children and the elderly. Regular supplementation, especially during the onset of symptoms or as soon as the symptoms start to appear, and taking proactive measures can significantly influence the severity and duration of infections, as well as reducing the risk of transmission. A variety of herbs, botanicals, and nutrients possess robust antiviral and antibacterial properties and can improve immune function in the presence of viral or bacterial challenge. 2 combination formulas, one herbal and one nutritional, can herbally and nutritionally cover the protection that we need. Immunotone Plus is a synergistic herbal combination formula that is designed to support healthy immune system function during cold and flu seasons. It contains herbs that support the normal natural killer cell activity and can balance the activity of the inflammatory cytokines, which are the regulatory proteins or chemical messengers released by the immune cells as part of the normal immune response. The standardized herbs in the Immunotone formula contain optimal and standardized amounts of the most active ingredients. Immunotone Plus is effective, safe, and suitable for all age groups for both acute and chronic long-term supplementation. Some of its significant botanicals include echinacea, astragalus, elderberry, and green tea that are standardized to a very high level of their key active component. This exceptional formula also contains the herb arabinogalactan, also known as lark tree, which has a significant effect on enhancing beneficial gut bacteria or probiotics, especially bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. And moving on from the herbal side into the nutritional side of things, we have the twice daily multi formula containing a blend of highly bioavailable vitamins and minerals that are difficult to obtain from food alone. In addition to essential vitamins and minerals, twice daily multivitamin is designed to provide nutrients not commonly found in commercially available multivitamin mineral products, such as activated forms of B vitamins, easily absorbed folate, B9, vitamin A, vitamin C, and special form of vitamin E with unique health and healthy aging benefits, all by just supplementing 2 capsules daily. Also included in the twice daily multi-formula is a unique blend of vitamin K, as well as iodine, selenium, boron, zinc, and vitamin D for a healthier immune system, thyroid health, and for healthy bones. Twice Daily Multi is the ultimate nutritional supplement for a healthy body and a healthy immune system. The several ingredients in the combination formulas Immunotone Plus and Twice Daily Multi in efficient dosages herbally and nutritionally cover our needs for a healthier and stronger immune system. For more information on the supplements discussed and other synergistic formulas and protocols to strengthen our immune system, please visit the page illnesstowellness.com/immunity products. Among other very important recommendations to maintain a strong immune system is changing our drinking water to alkalized ionized water through the use of a multi-purpose water ionizer machine. This machine is a medical device capable of producing 7 different types of water with different pHs. including 3 types of drinking water that is alkalizing to the body, is an antioxidant, is anti-inflammatory to the body, and highly absorbable drinking water. Plus waters with pHs appropriate for use as a sanitizing solution, cleaning detergent, for skin care, and more, all without the involvement of any chemicals except natural water. The drinking waters have been shown to be highly effective in boosting and maintaining a strong immune system, as well as having a highly detoxifying effect on the body. For more detailed information about this water, please visit illnesstowellness.com/articles and refer to my article titled Change Your Water, Change Your Life. Last but not least is another very important and highly recommended protocol. It's the 3-phase, 3-month-long cellular detoxification program. A very highly comprehensive program involving detoxifying the cells of the body in general, the cells of the body and the brain as well, from biotoxins, heavy metals, and other environmental toxins, in addition to opening up the downstream detoxification pathways of the body by supporting the detoxification organs such as the liver, the kidneys, the gallbladder, and more. Toxicity in general is known to weaken the immune system. But this protocol is not just for immunity. It is highly recommended protocol to precede other protocols in order to improve their efficacy, including preceding taking any supplements, even the ones that we mentioned for immunity in this video. There is obviously a lot more to this, a lot to be learned, so I recommend highly that you visit my article on cellular detoxification on the website Illness to Wellness by visiting illnesstowellness.com/detox. I hope that you've enjoyed this presentation on the best ways to naturally boost and maintain a strong immune system. Due to the shortage of time, it wasn't possible to get into more details of this topic, but I highly recommend that you do your homework and do the reading material that I recommended and more to have a better understanding of the overall big picture of immunity and other topics. And as I always recommend, do your reading on my article From Illness to Wellness to better understand the causes of illnesses, the causal factors, the 5 causal factors of illnesses beyond symptoms, and solutions on how to naturally address them. Once again, from Illness to Wellness, this is Dr. Farzad wishing you all health, joy, and lasting peace of mind. Stay safe and thanks for watching.